If you have 5 minutes or less than that, then only continue watch. Otherwise, it would just break the flow as well as reduce your interest to continue further. A very warm welcome to you. We always have been attending virtual meetings, be it Zoom, Google Meet, or any other application, but we tend to forget some of the etiquettes which we should follow as a professional or maybe as a normal human being. So, can we have a look at those etiquettes today? Yes, are you all excited? Same goes with me. Starting with the first one. Check timing, location, and light. Make sure you are present in an atmosphere or scenario where light is surrounded and there is no dull screen. Second one, if late, justify your answers. In case you are running late for the Zoom call, try to justify your valid reasons. It does not make an effect to the owner or the other person as they feel like that person really means that. Coming to the third one, mute yourself when not talking. It's advisable to mute yourself after you end up having conversation. This prevents us from causing any disturbance to other people. Next one, turn your camera on. No matter you are honestly attending the call, still it's recommended to turn your camera or look more presentable in order to show the other person that you are actively present. Moving forward with the fifth point, turn off your camera if have to relocate. As we can see in the picture, the man is holding the laptop and walking. So it's essential sometime to turn off your camera if you are thinking of changing direction or place. This therefore curb the actual diversion which may disturb other people. We have already done 5 points till now. So can we revise all those 5? Shall we? Yes. Number 1. Check timing, location and light. Next, if running late, justify your reason. Mute yourself when not talking. Turn your camera on. And last but not the least, turn off your camera if have to relocate. Now, as we can see in the picture, the scenario looks quite attractive, beautiful, yes. So the sixth point also says the same. It says good light and background. These two are part and parcel which go hand in hand. Therefore, both should keep in mind while attending a virtual call. Continuing with the seventh point, don't eat or chew. Make your stomach full before attending the call, as in between the meeting, it can just be against ethics. As we can see in the picture, a girl eating maybe a sandwich, but it doesn't look good. Else, be careful to switch off your camera or with mouth or sound. Maybe you are feeling a bit frustrated, like when all the points will get over. Yeah, it's a human nature. To your personal info, it only contain 11 points, and we have covered 7 points so far. Coming to the 8th point, which says maintain eye contact. Having a proper eye contact is essential, and it becomes more essential while having online meeting, as we really don't have physical interaction, only virtual connection exists. Yes. Okay. A sweet reminder, after watching the complete video, you'll be feeling really appreciated and will be following all the etiquettes which we have done. Yes, and your etiquette will really be recognized by the people. Moving forward with the next point, take advantage of the small pauses. If there is a small break midway or you know your turn is over, try to utilize that part of time in an optimistic way. For example, pressing eye fingers, eating, or even hydrating yourself. Research have concluded that relaxing your eyes could not be or less than the best activity. Let's see what second last point has to signify. It says always use your actual name to sign in. It's fine to use a nickname in formal meeting, but in the formal business, do sign with the actual name. The last but not the least, reflect on the fact that never overlook the small task. Be look, understand and kind. Be patient. Try to listen each and every frame of the words had in the meeting. Keep a diary with you if possible to pen down all the notes if think or find important for you. I hope these all 11 etiquettes, if you ask about my opinion, I believe that these all 11 etiquettes, help me a lot to attend a Zoom meeting or any other kind of virtual meeting more efficiently. I hope it will do to you in future as well. That's the end of our etiquette video. I wish to have a bright future for you all. Stay hale and hearty. See ya.